right?
It's a neutral, it should free spin.
No, it won't.
Jammed it that much.
Oh.
I was talking about how nice her windscreen
You
was.
jinxed it.
Whose bike is this?
We're gonna have to zip tie this.
This is your bike. Well, welcome back, my adventuring boys and girls. My name is Steve, and this is my channel 314 ADV. Well, welcome back to day 2 of Adventure Palooza. We've got some exciting stuff for you. Most of what we're going to have today is going to be a lot of single track, double track, some hill climbs, some power lines, some good stuff to see here. We'll get into it here in just a minute. This isn't the hard part. So having put on several different group rides and events, I've realized 2 things about people that put these on. One, they always put way more in than you can handle in a single day. And why? Because there's always going to be that super fast guy that rides amazingly well and they don't want to get bored. But for the rest of us schmucks like me, man, I've never yet completed one of these routes in the time frame that Dale and John has set up. Now, if you've ridden with John and Dale, you're going to understand why. These guys haul ass. I mean, they are really fast riders. By the time you get into a group of 5, 6, 7, 8, or in our case, 11 people, everything turns to the speed of mud drying on a rainy day. I mean, that's just about how it goes. Yep. Right behind you, bud. That's why they're built that way. You got the tusk on there?
Yeah, the zipper blew out.
Oh man. You know what? I lost one of the strap systems over here, so I had to sew on a whole new strap to the front. So. You ready to have it back? Just $75.
Well, obviously, because it's custom.
Second gear, Boyd? Okay, all right. I haven't seen this thing yet, so we'll see. Oh shit, I see.
Let the clutch out. Yeah.
All right, you guys are up. I'm filming it. Yeah, there's a beast, huh? Dang. Yeah, that's not the bike, it's him.
Line up.
Look at that.
Yeah. Oh shit, okay.
Keep looking forward. There you go.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Damn.
There you go. Ooh. You all right, buddy?
Hold on. Tell him to stop.
Let's lift it up. Lift it up. You all right?
Yeah, I just lost my footing.
All right. So there's more climbing after you first. Here we go. Stay to the left towards this tree where Parminder is, and yeah. And keep going though. It's a little bit more climb than you think. Okay. And open it up. Yep. Open it up. Get it. Yep. That's all right. You're stable now. You're good. Like a boss. Man, smooth, Steve. That's probably the smoothest one.
Booyah!
They actually split it up for 300 miles for day one, ending with this section that you're seeing right now. And then for day two, they have 200 miles. That way you can get back to the ranch early, have some music and party and drinks and food. We decided to split up a little bit differently. We did 250 miles the first day and 250 miles the second day. Now, even with that, we split up the group to kind of accomplish things a little bit more efficiently. We still ended up putting on close to 220 miles with each group, and that's after having split up the route to make it more manageable. So we decided to head to Potosi last night, and rather than do this section in the dark or late at night, we wanted to do it first thing fresh as a complete group in the morning, and so that's why we went ahead and did this the second day. And by the time we got through with all of this, and then got through Adventure Ranch, which is where their campgrounds were for the night before.
You all right, Larry?
We stopped, had some lunch at the local little tiny store. By that point, it was almost 12 o'clock already, and we had to be back in Mexico by 5. And we had, gosh, I think we'd only done 40 miles at that point in the game. So we ended up at that point really just kind of splitting off again and hightailing it up as far as where we needed to go.
Easier than this.
Yeah.
They did. It'll take a minute to break it.
It's a neutral, it should free spin.
No, it won't.
Jammed up that much.
Oh.
I see you in the head. Just talking about how nice her windscreen. You jinxed it.
How special do you feel that 5 guys are working on your bike?
She's not had to say one word. They just
Right?
did it. Boom.
Isn't that amazing?
Now, what I find really neat about this is that I've ridden enough with these guys that the moment we realized what needed to be done, we all just went into action and started doing it. And I really kind of enjoyed being able to do this.
Easy, easy.
We're not doing comfortable too, and I've had
So at this point, we finally reached the adventure ranch where everybody slept the night before. We were suckers, lazy, whatever you want to call us, and we ended up getting a hotel because, well, we wanted to sleep well. So once we got to the lake at the Adventure Ranch, we spent close to 15 minutes looking for this waypoint before we finally found it. And one of the things you'll learn is that just because the GPS marker says it's one place on your map does not mean that's where it's at. These are kind of generalizations. So Troy and I got our waypoint together, and we headed back up with the rest of the group towards the camping area at the Adventure Ranch. As you'll see, we're exiting here. We decided to head on up the road a little bit, get some lunch. I think we had probably one of the best lunches we've ever had, full of Mountain Dew, some canned Coca-Cola, and probably, I think I had beef sticks of all things. Yeah, no, it was horrible. So got back on the road for a little bit. We spent about another 45 minutes together riding. Finally, once we stopped and had a little bit of a break, we made plans on how to split up. We had a few that needed to go different directions, so we made that happen. And really, from that point forward, we hit a lot of pavement up until we got into Mexico. We had a couple more waypoints up there to grab, and then went to the party. That's right. They always miss the first one. Well, guys, this about wraps up my video for today. I want to say thank you for coming along for this ride and enjoying it with me. If you liked what I'm putting out, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. If not, I'll see you on the flip side. Till then, ride safe.